It's the cabinet door is falling apart. Look at it. Look like the hinge. This hinge is not locked. So this should catch in right here. Look at that lock in, and there is a mechanism here lock on this side. And you can release it by pushing this thing here down, and then you can release it, remove it. This is a good one. This is the end of that thing right here that lock it in. And here làដែលវាដាក់ជាប់ដោយសារនេះមានកូនទូចនេះអានេះ lock in អានេះ see move down ผมឃើញទេនេះ okay see this one look see the cracks broken off thing to lock and hold it is broken see that little shiny part there right there that thing is broken off. Now the hard part is to find that hinge, exactly the same manufacturer, everything. Home Depot, Lowe's doesn't carry the same exactly one. So I went through that problem before, but lucky I find the old one. I think one of them broken, but I saved the old one that left that in good condition. So I can use the same one to replace it exactly the same. You go to the manufacturer, look at the part number, and order exactly the same one. បងប្អូនខ្ញុំនេះរោអានេះរោចិត្ត1ម៉ោងមិនឃើញព្រោះខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ពីមុនខ្ញុំធ្វើឲ្យវាម្ដងវាមាន2មួយនោះខូចហើយមួយនោះវានៅល្អខ្ញុំទុកវាប៉ុន្តែរោវាតែមកឃើញហើយ1ម៉ោងមិនរកឃើញគឺអាហ្នឹងបើវាពិបាករកផាតនឹងឲ្យដូចគ្នាបេះបិទប៉ុន្តែនេះមានសល់មួយអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមែនធ្វើនេះដូរនេះ the same look exactly the same one so I can replace that one it's easy back end need adjustment. Oh look. Kẹp bị ắt đôi chân này đấy. Just ta là check về. Okay, this one. Okay. Make it more flat. So you turn the screw back up, you go back inside. You see now. Look. Out a little bit.